And this is the confidence that we have in him, that if we ask anything according to his will, he heareth us. 1 John chapter 5, verse 14.
Hey Nene Squad, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair journey video. I am starting to take my hair, skin, and nails gummies, vitamins. I'm using Nature's Bounty. Last time I was using Vita Fusion. This time I'm using Nature's Bounty. They actually work just the same. My head still feels the same. All the symptoms that I get from Vita Fusion, I get from this one. My head be itching, as I said in my other video. But I'm basically going to take these until I get to the length that I want, and I will make sure I do a video every time I'm done with these, and I will list the date. I started taking these December 26th. Today is January 9th. You'll probably be seeing this tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, because it's Wednesday. I said I would post Thursday or Wednesday, but yep. So you'll be seeing it tomorrow or tonight, wherever. So I'm going to show you guys my hair length of last video and this hair length that I have right now. You guys, I was putting a lot of heat on my hair, but right now I'm doing more washing my hair more often, moisturizing more often, and taking care of my hair and keeping the heat away. Now you guys have reached the end of my video. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to come on this journey with me, take some hair vitamins to see your, if your hair can grow like me, go ahead and do that. I would love for you guys to just come join my little journey, and we can make it into our journey. But I also said 2019 is going to be something very different on my channel. As you guys can see, I'm bringing back Bible verses, and also I'm bringing subscribers shout outs. So I definitely want to shout out some of my subscribers that come under my video, watch my videos a lot, and are very active on my channel. I definitely want to show love to BB Patton. Thank you for this video. I'm going to get these both and try them. Thank you, love, for watching my video. She commented under my Cantu ACV root rinse and intensive mask. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for commenting and showing your love, and thank you for showing your support. Now if you want to be shout out, make sure you smash on that notification bell and comment down below so then I know, so I can shout you out. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.